Hello everyone. Today I will introduce the Reproject function in LiDAR360. The Reproject function under Preprocessing enables projection transformation for various data types such as point clouds, vectors, and rasters, including geographic, project, vertical coordinate system. In the viewer, there is a point cloud and a raster for the same region, but they do not appear to overlap because they are not within the same project coordinate system. Under the Preprocessing module, activate the Reproject function. You can see that point cloud, vector, and raster data can all be selected and reprojected. By clicking on each file, you can view the current file's coordinate name. You can also see the current coordinate system of the file at the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, we choose to reproject the raster data to align with the point cloud data's coordinate system. The target coordinate is the coordinate system we need to set, and here we select the same coordinate system as the point cloud data. In the filter section, you can quickly find the target coordinate system name by entering keywords. Clicking the Detail button provides a detailed description of the coordinate system. You can also add custom coordinate systems and create transformation relationships. When reprojecting raster data, you can choose a resampling type to optimize the results. Finally, set the output path for the reprojected file and click OK to generate results. Add data to the current project. Now, check the coordinate system of the raster data again, and you will see it aligns with the point cloud data, ensuring overlap. This concludes the full introduction of the Reproject function. Thank you for watching.